We have all been there, right? Staring at a screen, filling out the exact same job application for like the 10th time today. But what if an AI could just do it all for you? Well, today, we're putting Google's brand new Agentic AI to the ultimate test. I'm letting it apply for a senior level job completely on its own. Let's see what happens.
And hey, before we get into the crazy results, if you want to see more experiments just like this one and stay ahead of the curve on AI tools that can actually save you time, do me a favor and smash that subscribe button. You are not going to want to miss what's coming up next. All set? Okay, let's dive in.
So, this is the big question, isn't it? We're moving way beyond just having AI write your cover letter. We are talking about an AI that can autonomously browse the web, navigate these super complex forms across multiple sites, and literally submit applications for you. Is the future finally here? Well, we are about to find out.
All right, so let's set the stage. We decided to throw this new AI right into the deep end. We're pitting it against one of the most soul-crushing, universally hated tasks on the entire internet, applying for a job online.
You know the drill. It is an absolute nightmare of endless repetitive forms. You've got, 30 tabs open? You're copying and pasting the same info over and over again from your resume into these slightly different boxes. It's hours of your life you will never, ever get back. The perfect proving ground for a true AI assistant, right?
This is the tech that promises to be the solution. It's called Agentic Browsing. Now, this isn't just another chatbot in your sidebar that can answer questions. No. This is Google's Gemini AI being given the ability to take control, to actually act. It understands a goal, and then it can operate your browser to click, type, and navigate across a bunch of different websites to get it done.
So with that in mind, we designed a high-stakes, real-world experiment to see if this agentic AI could handle a complex job application from start to finish with, as little human help as possible.
The setup was surprisingly simple. I mean, really, all it took was enabling the new Gemini feature in Chrome, pulling up my resume in a Google Doc so the AI could see it, and then crafting a very specific and, let's be honest, a very ambitious prompt.
This was the exact command. I pointed the AI right to my resume, and I told it, go find a Chief AI Officer position and then use your Auto Browse feature to fill out the entire application. No hand-holding, no pressure, right?
So, with the prompt locked and loaded, it was time. Time to let the AI take the wheel. We hit enter, we sat back, and here's exactly what happened next.
Immediately, this little icon pops up that says Task Started. And this is where it gets absolutely wild. A new tab opened on its own. The cursor started moving. Google Gemini was now in control, searching the web for me.
Now, what's really interesting here are the built-in guardrails. The AI can open tabs, it can navigate, it can transfer data from your resume, sure, but it can't do everything. It would actually pause and ask for my help with things like cookie banners. And crucially, it's designed to stop and ask for human approval before doing anything sensitive, like making a final purchase or, as we're about to see, submitting a final application.
And the process was incredibly fast. Within 15 seconds, it had scanned my entire resume. By 45 seconds, it was actively searching job boards. In under 2 minutes, it had found a relevant Chief AI Officer position and started the application. It was flawlessly transferring my name, my contact info, my work history into the form. And then it hit a wall.
And this right here perfectly illustrates the current limits. The AI got to the part of the application that required uploading a file, the resume itself, and it just couldn't do it. It stopped dead in its tracks and flagged that it needed a human. The one task it couldn't complete was providing the very document it was using as its source.
So, experiment over. Now it's time for the report card. Let's break down exactly how this AI performed, task by task.
Okay, so here's the final breakdown. Finding a relevant job? Total success. Check. Navigating across different websites to get to the application page? Absolutely flawless. But when it came to the core task, actually filling out the application, it was only a partial success. It handled about 80% of the data entry, but it failed at that critical final step, the file upload.
So what's the final verdict here? Is this AI ready to land you a job while you sleep? Not quite. But its failure actually reveals the secret to using this powerful new tool effectively, right now, today.
And look, this is why this all matters.
While it might not have aced our little job application test, this type of AI is already having a massive impact. A case study with xebo.ai found that businesses using it for these kinds of operational tasks saw a 20% jump in productivity. So this isn't just about convenience, it's about a fundamental shift in how we get work done.
So here's the secret, the crucial point. It's not about full automation. It's about smart augmentation. Think about it. Instead of just summarizing tabs, this AI can analyze 20 different job descriptions and tell you which one is the absolute best fit. Instead of just data entry, it completely vaporizes that soul-crushing task of retyping your work history again and again. It handles that first 80% of the repetitive work, which frees you up to focus on the 20% that actually matters, like customizing your resume and, acing the interview.
This quote from Everyday AI just sums it up perfectly. We have to stop seeing our browser as just a window to the internet. With tools like this, it is becoming an active business assistant, one that works right alongside you to get things done.
So no, it might not land you that job from start to finish, just yet, but it can absolutely give you back hours of your life. Which leaves us with one final question for you. Looking at your own workflow, what is the first tedious repetitive task you are going to automate? Let me know down in the comments below. Thanks for watching.